So today we are going to talk about top 10 Asodesk features for promoting apps in the App Store and Google Play. My name is Elizabeth. I'm customer success lead at Asodesk. I'm working with ASO for years, and all this time I was gathering the journey of my clients. So I knew a lot of things, how to make ASO, how to work with the reviews, and of course, how to work with our system. So today I will show you how to do it really very easily and convenient, so you can get the maximum of it. And what is Asodesk? Asodesk is the platform. It's actually a solution to grow your app business in the App Store and Google Play. Right now we are working with these stores. We are planning to add 2 more, of course, soon. I hope this year. And also we are not only platform, we have an agency where we can help you with all your projects, so you can give all the work to us and just have results. And of course the academy also is like 4 or 5 years already. We've got a lot of students who graduated and are working right now as ASO specialists. So we've got a lot of interesting experience from all of these spheres to create the best platform and unique experience you can have while you are working with us. So right now we have 30 tools. You can work with ASO, with the replies to reviews, with app analytics, with competitor research, of course. And we have like special a little bit keyword boost system where you can get incentive installs. And right now, one of the most important thing is that we are working with 60 million search queries right now in our platform. So you can find almost the keywords and search phrases for any application which exists on the market. And 60 million mobile apps in our database. And we are working with all the countries where you can find mobile traffic. Between our clients, we're working worldwide. We have a lot of big companies, and of course, they give us a lot of feedback so we can develop the platform which you can enjoy, which can be convenient, and of course, useful. We right now have a birthday sale. You can get all our subscriptions 1 month with 20% off and 12 months with 35% off. We have it because of our birthday. This June we are celebrating the 6th anniversary. So if you would like, just get discount. If you have any questions, you can write us via intercom. We will answer and we will help you to get the plan you need. If you can't find the best one between our usual pricing, you can at one more time write us and we will help you to find and to give you your custom plan. And let's start. So today I will tell you first is ASO part, so how to work with ASO, and the second one will be about reviews. Right now I will share my screen and show you the platform, of course. We will talk about 2 aspects. First one, build a semantic core from scratch, and second one, build a semantic core even for new languages, because it's quite similar. You just need to, yep, it's sharing. You just need to translate everything, but actually working with all the countries almost the same. So right now we are on the platform. You can see my screen. I hope, yeah, you can see. Great. So here you can use the search bar to find any application. You can enter URL here and it will find any application which exists in the store. And don't forget about the country. United States, right now we will work with this market because it's the most it's the biggest, and of course a lot of money there. That's why we will work with it. So let's go directly to the keyword analytics. Keyword analytics is the main field. Actually, staying here, you can collect all the semantic core. I will show you a little bit of additional tools which can help you to add like details to your semantic core, but actually working just here, you can find everything you need. So keyword manager, first one, add keywords. This cloud helps you to get interesting ideas for your semantic core. I will advise not to just like read all these search phrases, just press add all suggestions, because actually when you create the semantic core, you need to try to find like maybe 2,000, maybe 3,000 of different keywords, different search phrases, and after it to read all of them and try to make the relevance, because we have like all different interesting filters which can help you. Let me add like maybe 300 of keywords here, which can help you to clear your semantic core. And after it, you can decide which keywords would you like to add. So it's the first step. Let them save. Well, while you're working with Japan, for example, you can press this button, translate to English, and everything will be translated. And let's go to missing ranked keywords. Missing ranked keywords, it is for this application, Nebula, I'm checking right now. It shows us the keywords in top 1, in top 2 to 5. If they are added to keyword table here, we are adding all the keywords here, they wouldn't appear here. So it's like new ideas for your semantic core. Top from 2 to 5, top 10, top 20, top 50, and so on. So, for example, you are searching for any interesting keywords and you are sure that you want only popular keywords. You can make the filter like 500 of daily impressions, and you will have only popular keywords in these tabs. So it means that, for example, for Palm Reader, Nebula is on 6 to 10 position in the store. And let's add them all to our keyword analytics. Right now we can go to the missing competitor keywords, and here I've added already a little bit of competitors. You can search an application here and find the competitor for your application, and we also will see the keywords on which applications are on the first position, in top 5, in top 10, and so on. And one more time, you can put here like maybe 300 of daily impressions you would like to have, and you will see it. Only these popular keywords. Let's also maybe add maybe this, maybe let's make it a little bit bigger and make it like this at here. And here you can add any note or select tab where you will put or add color. I would like to put note like competitor. Let's do it like that, and maybe red one. And I will save 13 keywords with these signs. So you can check all of the competitors here. Apple Search Ads suggestions. If you will start any Apple Search Ads campaign, it will show you these keywords. So maybe you can find interesting ideas here, like numerology, maybe astrology, maybe this astrology. So here sometimes are the keywords which are not relevant for your application. So here I will advise you to check. You can also press translate to English here. Everything will be translated. It's in case of if you are working with Japan or any Chinese, maybe localization and so on. Text analyzer. So it was like about finding keywords. Text analyzer is also about finding keywords, but the main idea here is to analyze how many keywords, how much times are they repeated in your text, what is their density, so you can understand. It's very useful for Google Play, so you can understand do you have like a lot of spam in your text or not. So and also of course you can maybe find, if you analyze your competitors, you can find interesting keywords which they are using in description, or you can put any text here and also press analyze and analyze it. Keyword shuffler. Keyword shuffler, it's a little bit next step after you create the semantic core, or maybe before, but actually I usually and our clients prefer to use it after, when you have like 4, 3, 2 keywords and you want to mix them. If you're working with App Store, it's important to understand which search phrases you will get from different keywords. So here, for example, like free fitness home app, and you will get fitness app, home app, fitness app free. So you can understand which keyword you need to choose if you are, for example, choosing between two. You can put one here to see which search phrases you will get, and another one here, another one to understand will the search phrases have more daily impressions or not. And copy from, if you need to copy from any application you've been working or anything like that, you can do it here. And let's say 3 keywords we've got here, and we are moving to keyword table. So keyword table, you've got all the keywords here, and right now you can choose which you would like to have in your semantic core and which not. For example, stars. What we can do? First, we can press the button Explore and see which search results we will have. Like stars, the application, Apple TV, Disney. Okay, it is not connected to astrology or any or anything like that. It's not connected to our application, so definitely I wouldn't use this keyword. I will delete it. And like calendar are the same, but maybe we have like stars with this Z. I think we wouldn't find any interesting search phrases. But for example, the keyword calendar, it is also not about our application, but maybe astrology calendar is about our application. So I will save it here. And you can go and check suggestions. Maybe you will find any interesting here, like color, habit, planner. No, I don't see right now. So maybe we'll put astrology and find suggestions for astrology calendar. What interesting things will help you to metrics will help you to understand, do you need to use these keywords in your semantic core? First one is daily impressions. They shows you the popularity of the keyword, so you can understand how many people in particular country are searching for this phrase. Like calendar, it's 7,000 in USA per day. Great, amazing result. A lot of traffic are coming, so you definitely need to use this keyword. Search ads. Search ads popularity, the same, the scale from 5 to 100. You can also check it before putting any keyword to your metadata. Difficulty, it's our unique metric. You can understand how difficult will be, for example, for Nebula to go to top if this app will use this keyword. Estimated installs, how many installs this application is getting from this keyword. From iPhone rank 85, of course, none installs, not daily, no monthly. But maybe it's interesting to understand if you are checking your competitors, for example. iPhone rank, your position right now in the store according to the search phrase or keyword. iPhone best rank, the best rank you've got. For example, if you are analyzing your semantic core, it's not the first time, it's maybe third iteration. You are searching for interesting keywords. You can see, for example, here, coastal astrology. It's quite interesting keyword. It has a lot of traffic. It's a little bit branded, but anyway, it has a lot of traffic, and they were on the second position. I would definitely advise them to go back to it, maybe to put maybe put star, not co-star, maybe star, put anywhere in subtitle, so they can be ranked a little bit higher. And I found movement, if there was any movement since yesterday. Total apps, also important metric. When you see total apps, you understand how many applications can be found in the store by this keyword. So of course, when it's 400, it's much better when it's like almost 15,000. So that's why you need to check this metric before adding the keywords to your semantic core and especially to your metadata. In name, in subtitle, do you have this keyword in your name or subtitle? Like here we have a name, for example, in subtitle, in name, in subtitle, one keyword we've got zodiac signs. One of these, maybe zodiac or maybe signs, we have in our subtitle. You can set this table as you would like. Maybe you need any metrics, maybe not. It's up on you. You can also check competitors' rank. Like you can put here maybe daily and tarot, and you will see what is the rank of your competitors for any keyword you are using. It's very useful because, for example, when you are working with semantic core, you build your hypothesis, and maybe you need to find the keywords on which your competitors can't be found. So you will use only the keywords like this one, whereas your competitors are not found. Or maybe you want to compete with them, so you will use the keywords on which other users can find them. just like that. It's really easy. You can also export this as Excel. Actually, almost all our tools can be, and all the data can be exported if you need it. So just like that. And you can work with iPhone, iPad here. And I would like to show you ranking chart. If you need to analyze how your application is going, it's maybe for 1 year, you can choose here and understand the positions during any period, any time period you would like. And you can also find which applications are in top 8 for this keyword. So my chart app, I don't like it, let's delete it, it's not relevant at all. So just like that. And you can put any notes here, like for example, my chart, you need to add a note that delete next time, maybe. Next time. So you will come back to your table and remember that you want to delete this keyword next time. Or maybe you will want to delete it from your keywords with the next app update. And let me show you, I will check like for, okay, everything is okay. Let me show you keyword auto suggestions. It's also interesting. Usually I advise you to collect all the keywords from keyword analytics and after go here, because it will analyze your application you are working with and also the keywords you've added on keyword table. So it will give you a little bit more relevant keywords, most popular keywords. The most popular keywords, that's all. The keywords with the highest traffic according to the one you've added to your table and according to application you are working with right now. Competitors' best keywords, the best keywords of your competitors. Like we've added 4 competitors right now, and this is the most popular keywords from them. Long tail keywords. Here is a little bit interesting, especially if you just start working with the ASO. It's the application doesn't have like a lot of organic installs. Long tail keywords are useful for you because you can find quite high daily impression, like here, for example. Of course, New York Times, I don't know, maybe we can use it in our metadata or maybe not. We need to check. Maybe freestyle, like 14 days, great daily impressions, and a number of competitors, only 1. So your future self, also interesting, and it's quite relevant for us for the application, horoscope and astrology, and number of competitors is only 2. So you can also add them and maybe add them like purple color, that these keywords are interesting. You want to give them a little bit more of attention. You can also press here, translate to English. The mouse is on it. I suppose not is not relevant. Free widgets, okay. So just like that, you can understand and you can translate. If you have like any language that you don't know, you can translate it here to English and understand, do you need to use these keywords or not. And let's go to list competitive keywords. So list competitive keywords analyze the keywords of your competitors and all the applications in the market and give you the keywords with the least number of competitors. Like for example here, KP astrology, daily impressions is not a lot, search ads popularity also, but only 4 applications can be found in the store by this keyword. It's great because you can use it. You would definitely wouldn't have any competitors, not like between the one you've chosen, but also in the market also. So just add a little bit more of keyword to keyword table, you will have more keywords here. So list competitive keywords you will definitely need if you just start working with ASO and the application is quite new to the market and doesn't have a lot of organic installs or installs at all. And expected to be trending, these keywords which we analyze the trends on the market, and here we show you the keywords which are expected to be trending. Actually, you know, in the App Store they have like when you press the button for search, they have the discover menu and there are 4 keywords which are popular right now. So if any of the keywords which are relevant for your application expected to be trending maybe in a month, it will appear here. You can also have notification about this in our custom alerts and reports. I will tell you about it a little bit later. So just like that. Another interesting tool about searching for new search phrases, it's organic report. In organic report, you can find all the keywords on which your application can be found in the store. So, for example, this app has like almost 3,000 of keywords. It's great actually. It's great for visibility. It's the number of keywords you need to have also. Of course, if your theme is you have such a your theme has a lot of general search phrases, because sometimes it can be really something specific, so you can find so many keywords. Here you can check them by daily impressions. You can also add them here by plus to your let's add them, by the way, to your keyword table. Costa, maybe personality, futurio. Let's add it also, and actually maybe that's all. So you can add it you can check it for your applications. You can also check the number of installs application get from the organic source of traffic, like Nebula, of course, the first one, Gyroscope Astrology, CoStar, Zodiac, and so on. And here is number of installs per day. It's here per day. And for CoStar, we can also check. Like you just choose it here, and you also see all the keywords on which CoStar can be found in the store. Yeah, it's 2,000 almost. It's also okay. So organic report shows you everything. And we also have ASO comparative report. It is usually used to analyze, but you can also find the groups of keywords with special like phrases. Like, for example, you want to cover the group of keywords which are connected to a horoscope. So you can load a little bit because of a lot of data is collecting right now. Yep, let's see. Oh, they've added promo text. And yeah, we have. So you can, we have a search here. You can just type like that, and you will find all the keywords which have horoscope in their like phrase. For example, right now we can find almost 200 of search phrases. It's quite interesting, so you will definitely need to use, and you can by plus add interesting the keywords you like here by plus, and you have them. And you can also check like previous current daily impression, also interesting to understand. Like, for example, Aries horoscope daily didn't have traffic, right now it has. So you always need to remember that so it's an ongoing process. And I think that that's all about semantic core. Just like that, you collect all the keywords from different instruments to one table. It's keyword table, and after it you can filter. I will show you how you can filter, and I will show you a little bit of Japan. So, for example, you can choose the daily impression 0 and remove them, because we don't need the keywords with 0 traffic. Maybe if they are really special for you, maybe they will have like in a month a little bit of traffic, but when you are creating the semantic core, I will advise you to not use them. Search ads, low ranking, ranked. Maybe also we don't need ranked keywords. We want to use only keywords which are unranked. So we can also choose them and delete them, but I wouldn't do this right now because we have a lot of ranked keywords. And that's all actually about filters. I also can have filters here. Like, for example, if you've chosen all of them, we are talking about step 3 right now. If you've chosen all of them keywords, and right now you have like maybe 7 syllables in your keywords field. So you can press like, maybe you want to find the keyword with daily impressions more than 500, and we only have 7 syllables. Let's check. And yeah, we find actually keywords. So you can easily find any keywords you need to put to your metadata. And I want to show you Japan. So when you are working with another localization, it's the same. You just put translate all the time. Just put translate and read and understand what keywords means. And search phrases also. Of course, you can create the semantic core, but if you don't know the language, I will definitely advise you to use some native speaker who can check everything. You can create metadata using any translation, you can find in the stores, but before releasing your app in the market, you need to talk with the native who will check everything and tell you that it's okay. We talk like that, we speak like that. You can use them because it's really important for any localization. So just like that, the same idea here. And let me stop a little bit our screen and or maybe not. Let's go to our share materials, and we're here. Prepare metadata. We'll talk about it, and let's talk about measure the effectiveness of ASO. Also, yep, and I will share one more time with you my screen, and we are here. So you've done the semantic core. You've got all the keywords. You like them. Great, amazing. Right now, you need to create metadata. We have special tool for it, actually. It's called Optimizer. You can find it here, and you can just optimize your metadata. So we have stop words manager, we have expert if you need, we have save. You can save all the metadata here, and for example, then after it, you can analyze the whole year of your metadata, how it was, and all like that. So name, subtitle, keywords. We have all the syllables available, additional language as Spanish for US market right now. And don't forget to collect all the keywords here in Alt tab. Just everything will work, because if right now, for example, it will show me that my average daily impression will increase and search ads will increase also. But it's not, because right now I'm using like a little bit of keywords and I need to use them all. In unused report, it will tell me how many keywords I didn't use, how many search queries I didn't use, or search phrases. Or in semantic report, how many themes I didn't cover with my new metadata. And in used report, otherwise, it will show me the keywords I'm using, it will show me the search queries I'm also using right now, and semantic report will show me how many themes I'm covering, how many search queries, for example, they've got, and so on. So just like that, you can use it. And let's go to our measureness of ASO. So you've done, congratulations, you've done your first metadata creation, you put it in the store. What you need to do next? The best one actually is ASO comparative report. You can check everything at once. You don't need to collect any data. It is built automatically. It analyzes all the market, and you can also integrate. Right now it's not integrated, but you can integrate App Store Connect. So on this graphic, you will have another graphic which shows you how many impressions, downloads, and what is your conversion rate from the search traffic source. So what we see here, first of all, when you analyze iterations, my personal advice, don't analyze all 100 of positions, because actually the visibility is only, sometimes we tell that it's 20, but sometimes it's only 10 positions in the store, 10 ranks in the store. That's why analyze only them. So you've done metadata maybe like a month ago, so we will analyze May and June, and we will see what it brings to us. Like here, for example, I see that there have been like a little bit of changes and they get higher, but actually I know that it's like App Store is doing something right now, and they've got a little bit more interesting keywords and popular. Right now a little bit less, and they've done an update and they are higher one more time. So let's have only top 10. It will be a little bit easier. Yeah. So you see, like it's a big difference in top 10 right now. So you can understand, for example, you've done that update here and you see that you've lost a lot of keywords. First thing you need to do, you need to see on the graphic how many impressions you've got. Are they the same? If they are the same, it's okay. Maybe you've lost like 0 traffic keywords. Maybe you've recreated your metadata, and right now it is a little bit smaller, but it brings you the same results. So here on the graphic, you can see the semantic chart. The median is built especially for each application. It's the middle meaning of traffic your application has per day. So here are the most interesting keywords actually, because this one from 1 to 5th position, they're quite okay. You have traffic from them. Of course, the 4th and the 5th position are interesting. You need to put your attention to them because you can find interesting search phrases which after you need to use in your metadata. But here from 5 to 20 position, they are higher than your usual, like your normal traffic, and you are already almost in the visibility sector of the store. That's why put your attention to them. And in this table, you can compare and you can see all the results. Like, for example, what has happened in top 1. We've lost like astrology, current daily impression, it's 44, not a lot. But here, for example, for astrology, we've lost the 1st position. It's awful, actually, because of course the 1st position gets the maximum of impressions. That's why they definitely need to bring maybe astrology in the beginning so they can be higher right now. So this table analyzes the previous daily impressions, current daily impressions, previous rank and current rank. So you can analyze everything here. It also will show you the best and the worst rank and the average rank for all these periods. That's why it's interesting. And you can also see here what changes they've done. Like, for example, they've added promo text right now. They've released a lot of new versions. And what else? They have build size. Oh, different icon I see. They maybe were celebrating something. So just like that, you can analyze and measure the effectiveness of your ASO. And let's go back to our presentation. I can share it. Yes. Okay, and work with iterations in ASO and manage search queries, analyze competitors' ASO strategies. Let's talk about this, and then we will go back to the review. So I wouldn't like share my screen a lot of times. So let's talk about how you can also analyze your search phrases. Favorite keywords. What here? So we've done like keyword table, keyword analytics. We've added a little bit of keywords to our favorites. It's the keywords which are important for us. I don't know why. Maybe they have a lot of traffic. Maybe we are sure that they bring us downloads. Anyway, here they are. Just press the star on them, and you will add them to your favorite. And after it, you can analyze them. You can find them always here. It's like a short ASO comparative report, but only with important keyword for you. So you can also choose any time period for like maybe 1 year you want to analyze, 30 days, last week, anything. You can choose countries which you would like to analyze. Right now, for example, it's United States and Japan, and see what has happened. What is the difference in rank? What is new? What top 5 apps are on these keywords? And what is Japan? Oh, we didn't add a favorite keywords in Japan. But anyway, it's like you have your arm on pulse and you can understand everything what is going with the most important keywords for your application. And keyword highlights also, if you like didn't do anything for a month, you can come here and to see the most important changes you've got with your application and with your search phrases, with your keywords. So here we highlight new keywords, new popular keywords you have from the end of May. lost keywords, which keywords you've lost and which keywords you are out. Actually, moon calendar, interesting keywords, and they are out right now. Positive movement, how many positive movements you have on how many on how popular keywords, and negative movements the same. So it's just the highlights. Just like that, you can understand everything about search phrases. Actually, competitors. Let's go to the competitors. So of course you need to analyze your competitors, you need to follow them. I've already shown you that you have on keyword analytics, on keyword table, you can add the rank of your competitors, and actually each day you can analyze it and you can check it on which position is your competitor according to you. Here also, all the keywords you have on keyword table are represented here, and you can see, for example, like for power, we don't have competitors. Like maybe for stalwart, we have, but not these guys. And a lot of actual keywords on which we have position and our competitors are not. You can also add, if you will add any keyword which we don't have position, but our competitors have, we will see it here also. So you can understand and you can follow your competitors here. You can also actually use organic report. I've already also showed you on your competitors, so you can analyze how many of them, like for example for CoStar, on which keywords users can find them in the store. The same with ASO comparative report. You can check all the strategy of your competitors in ASO comparative report. Like for example, you can use not like you can use, you can check. Let's check any of them, and let's choose maybe CoStar or maybe this numerology app. Okay, it's counting. Let's wait a little bit. And yeah, here we are. Daily horoscope. Yeah, this one, I think. So you can analyze what is going on with daily horoscope right now, what changes they've done, what is their description, what is their build size, screenshots, are they doing any changes, like for months I don't see a lot. Even the version is the same, so I see that they are not like hardworking guys. I'm joking, of course. And you can also analyze the difference in their search phrases, in their movements, and so on, like the same that you can do for your application. And I think that's actually, okay, I will show you also category rankings. It is interesting for new markets and new ideas. It's analyzed top charts. So here, for example, you can find that these guys are lifestyle in USA 39 right now, and you can check summary, where you can find all the countries and your positions in category, if you have any. It's like overview, and it's quite interesting because, for example, if you are hardly working with the USA market, but you are not in top charts, you can check here, maybe in another country. You are maybe in top 10 or maybe top 20 right now, so you need to put your attention to another country and stay focused on it, because all countries have traffic, and just like that. So let's go back to the presentation. I will check our themes for reviews. So work with app reviews, how we can work with them, respond to reviews twice as fast, and set up integrations and don't miss any reviews. I will cover all these themes right now. And one more time, my screen. Here we are. So let's go to the reviews. So reviews, it's definitely another tool with which we can work, because ASO, it's about attraction the users to your application, and reviews and of course replies, they are about conversion, working with your app. Like here, for example, you can see they've got a lot of negative reviews, and they're answering. It's great. So let's hide, and you can just reply. For any reviews, you can reply on them. It's really easy. Here are all the filters. You can check all the countries. You can choose all the time periods you need. You can choose all the stars you would like to respond. Like, for example, they've got a lot of 1 stars. of course they need to answer them. Require attention, amazing filter which will put your attention to them reviews with the low ranking and which you didn't answer. Like this was cool, not anymore, definitely important. Review on which you need to answer, and maybe they will change their 2-star to 5-star. You can also check review changed, maybe which reviews became worse. Oh, no reviews, great. We can choose time period a little bit more. Let's put it like for half a year. And a lot of reviews actually. It was 3 and they answered, it is not working, this is still the same. It was like 2 stars, but then 1, and so on. So you can understand how everything is going with your reviews. You can also check featured reviews. How many reviews was featured for half a year? No, none of the reviews were featured. It's okay. And review length. For example, if you want to respond only on long reviews, which have a lot of information, you can also put chars here, like maybe 100, and it will filter everything. You can also add tags to your reviews, like maybe bug fixed, and so on and so forth. And you can show only with tech bug, for example. You want to check does the technique team working with the bugs or not, or anything like that, or without text only. Maybe you want to put on the text on all the reviews, so you need to check yourself and show without text only. And yeah, it was filters by reviews, and here are filters by replies. So if you are working in a team, you can choose any teammate replies. Like you can understand how many, maybe on how many applications your team member is replying, or maybe how good are the replies, and so on. Report a concern. If you have a report a concern on any review, you can filter and you can see how many concerns were sent to the store, and did the store delete them or not. And no replies. Of course, you can find the reviews with no replies. And these guys are great, they are answering. We also have processing an error if you are using automatic replies. I will show you a little bit later. Pending reply, it's also about automatization and automated replies also. You can save, you can have presets. It's really useful when you are working, I don't know, you need to analyze any time period in specific country with specific filters. Just save your presets and come to them anytime you'd like. You can also translate everything here. All the reviews can be translated. So if you're working with one more time Japan or maybe Spain, you can translate everything to English. Also, we have templates. Of course, you can answer on all the reviews personally, but sometimes if they just give you like cool app and that's all, of course you can answer with template like thank you dude or something like that. You can choose templates, you can choose the language, you can send random template from this folder just like that, and it will and reply on it. That's all. And let's go to analyzation. You can also analyze the number of reviews you've got. Let's analyze in all countries and check how many reviews you've got for a month in each country, so you can understand the difference. Maybe in United States they have like a lot of reviews, but some of them are bad, and average rating is just 2.5. But here, for example, in Norway it's 5-star, in Mexico it's 5-star, so it's great. You can understand which country brings you more positive result. Maybe you are doing any specific, so you can take that experience to the country where you have like only like 1 stars. And version breakdown. You can also analyze versions. You can compare maybe like January update and May update in May, and see how your auditory respond on it, and just like that. So here, for example, we are comparing 2 versions, and we see that the previous version have less rating and current one have more positive reviews. It's great. I think they've done changes and they listen to their users. Featured reviews. You can check and analyze reviews which were featured in particular country. It's important because featured reviews, it's the reviews which users see when they open the application and they are thinking download it or not. That's why you need to have great reviews here. And of course the answering, amazing. I don't know why they didn't answer this. They definitely need, because it's featured. That's why they need to answer it. Rating analysis, the same as the reviews, just about ratings. And let's talk about automation. So, of course, templates. If you have a lot of reviews, you need to have a lot of templates, maybe for bugs, maybe negative with details, maybe with no details. Maybe you need, if they are putting you 1 star and negative review, you need to answer them. Please write to our support mail. We will help you. We'll definitely figure out what is going on and help you to enjoy our application. So you can use our templates. You can create your own templates just like that, very easily. You can create a lot of subfolders, folders, and make it convenient for you so you can use it in your working process. And let's go to tags. The same tags, you can create tags, you can create folders for these tags, like thanks, bugs, and so on. Create simple category, just create category for how many applications, name, color, save, and proceed. And let's go to auto replies, and let's create new rule. So what is auto replies? It's just auto replies actually. So you need to, for example, you want to reply on all the reviews which are small, which don't have like any particular or interesting information which you can use in your work. So you want to answer them, so they will be pleased and they will think that you are taking care of users. So name, maybe it thanks, let's name it like that. So template, you will of course choose the positive short. Let's reply with the template from positive short. You can also set a report a concern. For example, if you have like any stop words and so on in your reviews, you can create a report a concern, and automatically these reviews will be reported, and we will email their store that we want to delete this review because it's not correct. Scope, for how many applications you would like to use. Like let's for Nebula only. And yep, thank you. Publication mode, we have 2 of them: approval mode, auto posting mode. Approval mode means that before the reply will go to the store and it will be published, you can approve it. So in our reply to reviews, you will see accept, decline, correct, edit. So if you use like edit, you can edit auto reply a little bit. If you will send it, send. If you cancel it, cancel. And after posting, it's auto posting without any approval. So we just got the new review. If it's connected to the rule, if it's okay to it, the reply will be posted by itself and assign automatically. So here are our conditions. Like for example, review text. What it should contains. Maybe it should contains maybe like these words, or maybe words like good, and that's all. Maybe like that. Maybe something like that. Let's add another condition. It only can be with 5 star. So all other 4 star, 3 star, of course, we need to answer so we can improve their rating. Length, maybe we only want short, like at least less than 100, or maybe 50 even symbols. You can also choose the language and tag. If you have any tag, you can use it. So just like that, save, and you have our thanks reply with the positive short review contains 5-star rating and it is working. Auto tags the same. You just create the rule for auto tagging. Rule name, for example, one more time. Or maybe bug. Let's bug is simple. Review name, let it be bug. Scope for all apps. Okay, tag. We want to have it doesn't work. And condition, if review text is doesn't work. Maybe it's so simple. Just doesn't work, and we want to give it tag doesn't work. And also maybe condition, the rating less than 5-star. And just like that, you have automatization. And let's go to our main menu where we can find our custom reports and alerts. So you can also answer using these, but you can also answer via Slack or email reports. So email and Slack notifications are almost the same. It's just different. These notifications you get on email, Slack notifications in Slack if you are using it. So the email, of course, the scope, how many applications, countries, general reports, or reply to reviews. So if you choose reply to reviews, you can do it like that, and all new reviews will go to your email. You can choose, you can import history, how many reviews you would like to get. You can select rating and select the max lengths and so on. And general reports and alerts, let's check them. So here you can see app overview. It's basic information about the application, its keywords, features, reviews, and update. You can have it per day, per week, or per month. So if we will do it, you can choose maybe weekly. We want to have weekly overview of our application on our boss mail, for example. Keywords, maybe if we have like new lost keywords, positive movement, negative movement, like it was in keyword highlights, but on your email. You can also make it daily, weekly, monthly. Maybe you want to get each month the report. So just like this. Or maybe only favorite keywords you want to choose here. Also very useful. And after it, reviews. What reviews you would like to get on your email. We will just report you summary of reviews and rating for selected period. Like one more time, very convenient for reports, any types of reports at the end of the month, for example, or at the end of the week. And ASO, it's like the performance of your ASO of the day. It's connected to tables with impressions, app unit, CVR, and product produce, app unit, CVR, if your application is connected to App Store or Google Play Store. Alerts, so it was notifications and reports, and here alerts. Reviews, so you will have notification of new review. You have a new review, you have notification. Updates, if a new version or anything like that happened. For example, this is very useful for your competitors. If you need to check or does your competitor have any update, just here choose the app of your competitor, and you will always know when they've done new metadata or new description. App Store trending searches. If your application at the moment, actually, you can see, do you have your application on them, this discover popular keywords in the store. A number of negative reviews is more than. Like, for example, something has happened, new version, any bugs, and you want to stay tuned if anything happened and you have like 10 reviews for the last one day and they are negative, you want to report. And new review with tag arrived, and you can have it here. So just like that, it was reports, and you can also the same create at Slack. And let's go to our integrations. You can integrate our platform to Zendesk, Omnidesk, and we will soon have Usedesk. Let's connect another Zendesk account. So it's really simple. It's almost like interface of Zendesk. Let's for Globe do this. So you can choose reviews which you want to get. For example, you want to get all reviews, you just want to work with Zendesk. So you choose all reviews. Import history, last 100 reviews, for example. Select ratings. Maybe you want to work only with from 1 to 4 stars rating. Select countries, length of the review, tables, apply filters. Next, you link the console, integrate Zendesk, and we have a short guide here. Everything is convenient. You can follow it, and you will see how everything is working. And our intercom is here. You can type us, and we will answer all your questions. And actually, I think we are done with almost. Yeah, I think I've shown you everything which I want. I see that we don't have questions right now. It's great. If any questions will appear, just let me know in our intercom app, and we will answer you. You can also have a personal tour with me or with any of my colleagues. They will help you to find out all the interesting features, and they can also help you to set up your account with all the keywords, with all the tables, graphics, and so on. So thank you everyone for being here with me. It's also a little bit of useful information. We have articles about App Store and Google Play, metadata in the App Store, ASO about rating and reviews, how to work with them, and our community. Join our community in Slack. We have a lot of interesting reviews. We have support there. You can type any questions for our experts, and they will answer you. YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel, we have all our webinars, so just subscribe, and you wouldn't miss any interesting information in the mobile market. Any questions, just write me via email or via intercom. I will be happy to answer. So thank you one more time, everyone who was here with me today, and see you soon.